Numbers. Written by Ethan Smith. Illustrated by Jones Cooper. 1 watermelon. 2 avocados. 3 mangoes. 4 apples. 5 pears. 6 oranges. 7 kiwis. 8 bananas. 9 strawberries.
Strawberry, strawberry.
10 grapes.
Grape, 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 grape. Activity 1. Magic wheel. Explore new words from the magic wheel. 1, 2, 3. Let's spin.
Watermelon.
Spin the wheel again.
Pear. Mango. Kiwi.
Can you point to
Mango. Mango.
which one is?
Kiwi. Kiwi.
Which one is?
Pear. Pear.
Can you pick out?
Watermelon. Watermelon.
Activity 2.
Which picture shows 2 avocados? 2 avocados. Which picture shows 5 pears? 5 pears.
Well done!